In this tutorial, we'll learn how to quickly start working with the LangShop app. When installation begins, you will see the information window with the steps of installation process. Step 1. Language selection. This window shows you the default language of your store and a drop-down menu with the list of different translated languages to choose from. Here, you can choose your preferred languages. Let's choose 3 radically different languages such as Arabic, Chinese, and French. We'll do it to demonstrate how left to right and right to left languages work in LangShop. The languages we have chosen appear in the green boxes under the Translated Languages drop-down menu. Once you have finished choosing your preferred languages, click Next. Step 2. Choose the categories for automatic translation. In this step, LangShop will propose you to choose the sections for automatic translation. By default, all sections are selected, but you can disable one or more of them by clicking the check boxes. When you click Next, the auto translation will begin. The translation process may take some time. The duration of it depends on the amount of content that needs to be translated. The translation process is autonomous and will not be affected by your activity, even if you close the browser's window. While the translation process is being performed, you can continue using the LangShop app or do something else. You can also manage the tasks of the LangShop app. For example, you can stop the task, pause it, or check the details by clicking the Show Details link. Once the process of translation has been completed, you can check the translation and the localized LangShop theme in preview mode. The theme that you see in preview mode is a duplicate of your current Shopify theme, but with the added functionality. In preview mode, you can see your store translated into Arabic, Chinese, and French. By default, the language switcher is in the lower right corner. You can change its place or add another switcher in the settings of the LangShop admin. As you can see, LangShop has translated all types of your store's content, such as product titles, descriptions, collections, navigation menu, breadcrumbs, header, footer, and all the rest. Let's choose Arabic to see how the right-to-left language looks in your store. As we can see, everything displays correctly. At this stage, translated content is not visible to your customers, which means that you can edit translation, make appropriate settings, or change whatever you desire. In order to make your multilingual store available for your customers, you need to publish the theme by clicking the Publish button. Now your store is ready to be used by the hundreds of thousands of new customers all around the world. But that's not it. In addition to that, the LangShop app allows adding a currency switcher to your store and has many other useful functions which will be introduced in our advanced configuration tutorial. In case you'll have any questions about LangShop, please feel free to get in touch with us by clicking the Contact Us or Chat button.